Hey, what's up guys? And I'm back with a new video to show you how I made this really cute mini skirt with the side slit. So no further ado, let's get on to this video. And so with this project, I used like one of my old pencil skirts or A-line skirt. It basically had the type of shape that I wanted to make this skirt, and all I did was take the measurements of my waist and my hip, which were 34 and a half, which is my waist, and my hip was about 42. And I basically just upgraded those size as well because this was a size 8, I want to say, and I usually wear like a 12, so I definitely had to make the size bigger, so I had to add 2-inch seam allowance. So basically what I did was take my hip measurement and my waist measurement and divided that in half. And I also took the half that I basically divided and divided that in half, if that made sense. So an example, my waist was, I want to say, yes, it was 34. So I divided that by 2. And then I took the half of 34 and divided that by 2. And that's how I got my numbers to measure my waist and hip, if that makes sense. So it was something I tried at a wing, and it wound up working. It fit really snug on me like I wanted, so it worked out. So after I cut out that one fabric, I used the same cutout to make another, so we can have a front and a back. So you're going to take one of the pieces and cut it in half, and that will be your back where you're going to place the zipper. And once you're finished cutting it in half, you're going to place the right sides together, and you're going to measure your zipper, which I did, and I found out that my zipper is definitely too long and I'm going to have to adjust the size. But then after that, I'm basically going to put the pins in to start the stitching. So this is what I'm talking about. So I stopped at a certain point, and that's where I want to add my stitches, basically to sew it together, and then that little opening is going to be where the zipper will be. Once I'm done adding those stitches, I'm going to take an iron to it to press down those seams and also get rid of those wrinkles that's driving me crazy. This fabric really do have a lot of wrinkles. Once that is done, we're gonna go to our side seams, which is the front and the back put together, and we're gonna just stitch that down. And once that's done, I'm gonna put it on my mannequin to see where I'm gonna place the darts. So the side seams are stitched and it is coming out the shape that I want. And right here, I'm going to put the darts just so it could hug my body like I want it. And yeah, so we're going to take it to the sewing machine and basically add those darts to this skirt. So I decided to add on a waistband. At first I wasn't going to do it, but I realized it only made sense. So it's going to be serged from the top and the bottom because I'm getting ready to hem this baby down. And, well, hem it up, hem it down, whatever. And I add the slit already, and we're going to take it to my serger to add on this waistband. And after I finished serging it, I stitched it down with a regular sewing machine just for extra security. But this clip is shaking because my oldest did it and she's just not a standstill person. So the waistband is on, and yes, it's kind of scrunched up, but I will fix that. And here's my slit, which I feel like look better right here than, I don't know. But we're gonna get ready to serge the bottom and hem this puppy up. So everything is finished. I serged the bottom and I add my pins where I want the slit to be, and everything is good to go. So, a little disappointment, I didn't have matching thread for this part. So yes, I had to use whatever I had, which was white thread. And it was between black and white, and I think I just chose with white, which I don't know why. But that's the only part of the dress, or that's the only part of the skirt that really drove me crazy. But other than that, I think it came out fairly well. Once you're done hemming, you want to fold over the slit area and basically hem that down too. And now we're going to add in the zipper. If you want me to, I could do a video on that. If not, cool. But that's it. This is how it turned out. And I want to say it came out pretty good, like I said before. And I'm happy with the way it fit me. And I did have to add a little piece to the waistband just because it was a little too tight. So this is what it looks like with me in it, and it fits pretty nice and snug. And I was worried about my butt because the zipper was bulging, but still came out pretty decent. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.